The LINQ code you've learned in this session doesn't just work with databases. You can use it on any collection. To begin this lesson, open the Spark sample file from your Sample Files folder. And open the code behind file of reports.aspx. Next, remove all code from the page load event handler. Then remove the button delete invoice click event handler. And remove the button delete invoice control from the page. We are now going to call the utilities.getBlockedCustomers method to get back the collection of string variables you created in Lesson 8.2. We'll put the collection in a variable named blocked customers. List string blocked customers equals utilities.getBlockedCustomers. In exactly the same way as you did in Lesson 10.3, you can use LINQ to retrieve a single item from a collection. Of course, this time it will be a string value rather than a customer object. Add the following code on the next line. String single customer equals blocked customers dot single customer ID lambda customer ID equals 6. Because the items in the blocked customers collection don't have any properties, you can use the alias on its own to represent the values in the collection. The alias in this case is customer ID. To display the value of single customer on the page, add the following code on the next line. Label report.text equals single customer. Now view the page in your browser. As you can see, the number 6 is displayed on the page. It was found in the collection and output by your code. Close your browser now. Next, we're going to retrieve multiple items from the blocked customers collection using LINQ's where method. You do this in exactly the same way as you did in Lesson 10.4. First, remove the second 2 lines of code. We are now going to use the where LINQ method to return a subset of items from the list collection. var sublist equals blocked customers dot where customer ID lambda customer ID equals 6 or customer ID equals 9 or customer ID equals 99. This will search the blocked customers collection for items with the values 6, 9 or 99 and put the results into a new collection called sublist. This is a very long line of code, so I'm going to split it onto several lines. Next, we're going to use a for each loop to display the resulting values in the label report control. For each string customer ID in sublist label report dot text plus equals customer ID label report dot text plus equals an HTML break tag. Now view the page in your browser. As you can see, the numbers 6 and 9 appear, but 99 does not. This is because it wasn't found in the collection. LINQ can make working with collections very easy, but you should be careful not to let it impact performance. When you use LINQ on a database, it creates SQL code which is used by the database to retrieve your information. Databases don't have to look through every record in the database to find the one you need. They use indexes to speed up searching. When you use LINQ with collections, it actually does the equivalent of a for each loop, looking through every value in the collection in order to find the ones you want. With large collections, this can be a slow process that is demanding on the computer running it. Be aware of this when using LINQ with collections. Close your web browser now. You've now completed Lesson 10.10. Use LINQ with collections.